Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Rebooting. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A32 4G and I'm going to show you how to remove this pattern lock, how to remove the password and how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. We're going to use a key combination to do this. So this method, it will delete everything. Please keep that in mind that it will delete everything from your phone, including your pictures, messages, WhatsApp, everything will be erased from your phone. So we're going to do it via key combination. So I'm going to press power button and the volume down button together. So let's do it. Power and the volume down together. Now I'm holding it. The phone will restart. So the second phone will restart. I'm gonna release volume down and I'm gonna quickly hold the power up, the volume up button, and as you see the Samsung logo, you can release both buttons. As you can see, now the phone is in the recovery mode, and here you can choose wipe data factory reset. So if you choose this, you have to use volume down button to navigate and press the power button to select this option. So now I'm gonna select wipe data and factory reset. It's gonna give you a warning that it will delete everything, so this cannot be undone. We are sure we're gonna do that. So let's press this button again. Okay, the reset is done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset the cache partition also. Navigate down, wipe cache partition. You're gonna say yes via power button. Gonna select yes. There we go. Your cache partition and your main partition has been formatted. So let's reboot the system by pressing the power button. Now the phone is going to take a little bit time to come on, and then everything is gone from the phone. Everything is being deleted from the phone. After resetting the phone, it takes a little time to come on. So now we are on welcome screen. You're going to say next. We have to agree all the terms and conditions. Now we can skip the Wi-Fi connection, so say more, accept. Now here protect your phone, we're gonna skip this also, skip anyway. Say next. Okay, skip also, we're gonna make it later, skip. I'm gonna keep the dark theme on, and okay, now we are all set. Let's say finish, and that's how you hard reset Samsung Galaxy A32 4G. Thank you.